How to delete Gmail account. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up Gmail on your device. Now tap on the profile at the top right corner. Now tap on Google account. Now wait for some time. Now tap on data and privacy. Now scroll down. Now on the last option, you will find an option for delete your Google account. Simply tap on it. Now again wait for some time. Now enter your password. Now tap on next once you're done. Now wait for some time again. Again scroll down. Now tick the options and tap on delete account. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.